Hi there, I'm Kathy.
And I'm Annie.
And we're the Thrive Life Sisters.
Sisters.
Today we're going to show you a few life hacks that has helped us when we travel.
So first of all,
put the screen down so you can see what we're doing.
Okay, so when you're traveling and you have necklaces that you need to travel with, and you know that if you put them all together, they're just going to all bunch up and get all tangled. So there's something that I do every time I travel, and this seems to work. So I grab a couple sheets of paper towel, okay? So I put them, and then I put my necklace down, only part way, and then I start to roll it. Okay. When I get it to the point where I know it's not moving, then I grab the balance of the necklace and I just put it in that direction so that I just keep rolling it. Okay. And then if I have another necklace that I want to, then I just pop that in there and then I roll it. And then once I've rolled it, then I can just fold it in half, and I know it's not going to go anywhere. And then I just tuck it into my travel bag. So then it's all ready to go. My necklaces are not getting all tangled up. And so that's what I do for that.
And here's a little tip for earrings. So all of us, I'm sure, have thrown all of our earrings into a Ziploc bag, and then they all get bunched, and you're trying to search to find your pairs and see what is matched up. But this is a way that you can do it with a button. All you do is you grab a button and you put the earring in the holes of the button, and then you have perfectly just paired up earrings, and they're just like that. So they're all just perfectly matched up right there. So whether they're dangly or they're not, and they have a back to them, they could just have little buttons, and it makes it easier to just store into the bag.
So when you're traveling, you can just pop them on in, yep, and there you go. You have all,
hold it close.
Yeah.
Just like that. Your earrings and your necklaces.
All ready to travel with, and nothing will get all tangled up.
So we thought we'd share that tip with you today. And remember, you
can do it too.